Hi, I am Katelyn Wiles. I'm the physical therapist for the Farmington School District. If you have a student who attends school at one of our elementary buildings or Truman Kindergarten or pre-kindergarten, they may have recently come home talking about a new and exciting thing they have gotten to do at school that involves jumping and other fun movements and exercises. This new thing is called a sensory path. A sensory path is a colorful, creative, and playful way for students to build sensory pathways, or connections in the brain that are responsible for taking in information, processing, retaining, and then applying that information. Proper development of these sensory pathways enables kids to complete complex, multi-step tasks, as well as effectively listen, learn, and apply new information while controlling their emotions and behavioral responses. These sensory paths that we have laid in the schools can be utilized to increase student energy and arousal, or to calm and organize their bodies and thoughts. They also help them to develop and sharpen their balance, hand-eye coordination, cross-body coordination, and spatial awareness. Basically, these paths require the students to use their brains and motor skills together at the same time to accomplish fun tasks through jumping, bouncing, squatting, applying pressure through their extremities, tracing objects on the wall while walking, coordinating multiple parts of their bodies at the same time, and performing exercises that require them to think about the movements. There's been a great deal of recent research to support that these activities and movements presented in these paths improve students' focus, cognitive processing, retention of new information, and overall behavior in school. In the elementary schools, the paths also incorporate character development words, phrases, so that students finish feeling focused, positive, and encouraged. The sensory paths have been developed through the collaboration of physical and occupational therapists, school administrators, and physical education teachers in our district. We are excited about our students having the opportunity to participate in using these sensory paths. We hope they enjoy them, and we hope that we are able to utilize them to effectively improve the learning process for all students. We plan to install sensory paths in Lincoln Intermediate School, the middle school, and the high school later this semester. Please don't hesitate to ask one of the school therapists or administrators if you have any questions.